Good morning. Good morning. A very good morning to my friends online. This is the revision. This is the year 9, week 8 program. Okay. So thank you for following us for 8 weeks. Thank you very much. Okay. So today we are doing some revision. I hope that you can score. I hope that you can really enjoy. I hope that you can really master, okay, this subject, okay. And I hope that it's not only from my resource, you can learn from other resource. And learning is more enjoyable if you try to learn more and more. And you know that for us, we only know very little of the world, okay. So without wasting time, we shall start our simplify our fraction. Okay, we have the A, 1A. Okay. We have this 1A. Okay. It's okay. 1A. So 25 over 60. To simplify, okay, we have many methods, right? Still remember that? Okay, you can always do this way. Okay, this is 5 times 5 because the top one is 5 times 5. And the bottom one is 5 times 3 times 4. Okay, as we know that 5 times 12 is 60. So when you have this one, the above one and the down one, can you see? This one is a 1. So you can cancel each other one. So it become a 1. So the answer will be 5 and 12. Okay, this is the way of simplify. If you are already mastered this one, you may use other methods such as this, 25, 60. Then you will do 5 times 5, 5 times 12. So your answer will be 5 and 12, right? Both will do, okay? No worries. And then we should do the number B, which is a 16 and 100, okay? So this is a 4 by 4. And then this is the 5 times 5 times 4. Oh, sorry, this is 5, this is 4. So this is the 1, so you can cancel it up. So your answer is 4 and 25. What about next one, the C? You may use the method that you like. For example, I want to use this one, okay? So it's 7 times 2, 7 times 7. So my answer is 2 of 7. So for the D, I can use the space here to save our environment. Okay, maybe I can write here as well. There's a space here. So it's 32 of 68. Okay, so this one I think is a bit hard, right? Okay, if you cannot find the number, the 4, you can always slowly from 2, can you see? Become a 2 times 16, and then this is a 2 times 34. Yes, can you see? Then you can, this one is cancelled out. So you have the 16. This is a 2 times 8, and this is 2 times 17. So again, you can cancel out. So answer is 8 of 17. Okay, can you see the idea? Thank you for following. I think you can follow. This is Mr. Handy Clement for your such a long 6-month program. Okay, I hope that it's really helped. No? Okay, it's free, and even though it's very brief, you can always look for your teacher and to find more. Or if you want for more repetition, you can always look for me. I will try my best to show you. And then we do the next one, another simplified, which is not about number, but about to group together the unknown. Okay, so we have 2a, 2m plus an n minus 8n minus n plus 3m. Okay, remember we can use different colors so that to help us. This is the red, this is the m and m. So we get the m will be 2m minus m plus 3m. Okay, and then we have this one, okay, which is n minus 8n. So now you can solve this. 2 minus 1 is 1, 1 plus 3 is 4, 4m, and then this one is plus a minus 7n. This is your answer. Okay, allow me to use a red color for the B and C. Okay, for the B and C, okay, I will do this way. 2b, 6xy minus 2ab plus 5xy minus 3ab. Okay, so I should find the xy1. So I circle the xy. So I know that's 6 plus 5. You get you 11xy. Whether this one, ab, minus 2 minus 3, I will get you 9 minus 5, ab. Can you see the idea of doing this question? Yes, right? So, and then we have the C. C also the same thing, which is P minus Q plus 3Q minus 12P minus Q minus 4Q. Okay. So I should underline the P. Okay, only 2P, can you see? So this is P minus 12P, so it's minus 11P. And I have the Q, Q1, Q, negative 3, negative Q plus 2Q is 2Q, minus 1 is Q, minus 3 is negative 3Q, negative 3Q. Okay, if you have negative both sides, sometimes we like student to actually bring out to factorize also the negative. So you come with negative and then circle that, you have the 11P plus 3Q. Okay. And getting some more recycled paper. The isometric paper to draw a 3D. Okay, this one isometric. Okay, so we don't have this one for the moment. Okay, we'll skip this one. We should go to number 4. Workout. Okay. Okay, workout. Work up this one, which is negative 3 for A, which is negative 3 plus 4 minus 8. So this one negative 3 plus 4 is 1. 1 minus 8 is negative 7. Okay. So we have the B, negative 6.5 plus 8. So this one is 1.5. Okay. C, 2 minus 4.7. This one is negative 2.7. D, we have negative 3.8 plus 5.6. Okay, so this is 1.8. Okay, then we go to the number 5. Number 5, we have this one. To interchange between A 33300 ml to liter. Okay, so to apply this method from year 9, you should know about ratio and proportion. So this is, you can put an X here. So if you know that 1 liter is equal to 1000 ml, always use the ratio. From the X, what's the X? Yeah, this is X. To draw down an arrow. To draw an arrow to indicate this is the division. This is division. It means that X divided by 1, X divided by 1 is equal to this one. 3,000, 3333. Wow, so many 3, eh? Divide by 1,000. So your answer will be, so you have 3, right? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So it's about 33.3 liter. Okay. This is so-called ratio and proportion method. This is in your books. I think at the end of the chapter. No, it's a chapter 13. Chapter 13, direct proportion. Okay, 13.3. We'll be learning this later. So I shall just introduce this to you as fast as possible. Okay. So we then have to go to the number C. Number C is not so easy. Number B was not easy. Okay, let's see number B. 0.0008 ton equal to how many grams? So before that, we need to know 1 ton is equal to how many grams? Okay, so we need to do some adjustments first. Here, from here, 1 ton is equal to 1,000 kg. 1 ton is equal to 1,000 kg when turned to gram is another 30, so it's a 1 million gram. Okay, so now you can put a y here. So we know that 1 ton is equal to 1 million gram. From our y, we can draw an arrow. So now this is 1,000. No, sorry. Y divided by 1 million equal to 0.0008 divided by 1. So the y is 0.0008 times 1 million. Okay, so 1 million will allow us to the number to have 60 here to allow us to make this number bigger. To make the number bigger, we need to move the right, not to the left. If you move the decimal to the left, then it will become even more smaller. So we need to move to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we need to fill another 2. So it's actually this is 800 grams. 800 grams. Okay. I leave this one for you to do by yourself. Okay. Okay. So this one is quite easy. Data that you have collected yourself is called primary data. Data collected by someone else, such as a report, such as a group or team, such as internet, is called secondary data. Okay. So work up on this. Let's try this one. So work out for this one. Okay, number seven, which is about A when you have 8, 7, 4, and 3. Okay, so the denominator is different, so you need to make it the same. So this one you need to times 2, right? 2, 2. Okay, because 2 of 2 is 2 by 2 is 1, right? So now we can solve this one. 7 minus 6. So the answer is 1/8. Then you have the B, 2 and 5 plus 1, 3. This one, both sides also you cannot make it the same. So I think you need to this one times 3, this one times 5, because this is the multiples. So this is 3, 3. So this is 5, 5. So it will give you this is 15 at the bottom. This one is 6. This one is 15 at the bottom. This one is 5. So altogether you get 11 over 15. Okay. And then number C, you have, this is so-called the mixed fraction. So you have 4 and then 2, 5. plus a 2 and a 1, 4. Okay, so this one, okay, you can always just minus this way, or if okay, you have any way to do of doing so. Okay, so firstly you can just make it this one, the denominator is the same. So this one again, you need to have a 4, 4, 4. This is 5. This is 5. Okay, so you have a 4 and 28 plus a 2 and 25. Okay, so this is 4k and x slices, 2k x slices. So these two parts together, you have 6k and 13 slices. Okay, of the plate of 20. On the other way, if you can do it as a improper fraction, this one you will do also. Okay, so from here we know that this one will become a 5 of 22, and then this one will become a 4 of 9. So now you can change to the 20. So this is 88, and then this is 45. So you plus it together, you can get your answer as 133, sorry, 133 over 20. Okay, so 133 over 20, 133 over 20. So you can get the answer as 6, 1, 2, 3, 13. So this is a remainder. So the answer is the same, right? 13. So your answer is 6k and 20. You have 6 as a remainder. Okay, so this is the same. Okay. Okay, then we shall go on. Number 10, we go to number 10, okay? Work out this one. Number 10. Okay. 7 times 10 to, okay, 10 to is actually 100. So it's 7 times 100. So give you a 700. B, 1.4 times 10, 3. So become 1.4 times 1,000, 3. Okay. So you have, so the number become bigger, can you see? This number become then become 700. So this one also will be high, 3. So they have to become a 1,400. Okay. For the C, 612,000 divided by 10 to the 4. Okay. So this is actually 612,000 divided by 1. Okay, this 10,000. And then divide by 10,000, that means this number will become smaller. So you can move away to the left so that it becomes smaller. So this is 61.2. Okay. And then we shall try the D. 4100 divided by 10 to the 3. Okay, in other way, you can always try to use the fraction if you want. It means that this is 4100 divided by 1,000. So you want to make it the denominator as 1. So 1, 2, 3, move to the left, 1, 2, 3. So the answer will be 4.1 for this question. So number 11 and 12, oh, we have plenty of questions. Okay. So we try number 11. A piece of fabric is a 2.1 meter long and a 40 cm length. You cut down a 40 cm length. Okay, 40 cm here is 40 cm. You can see now. Maybe I should write other place. Okay, so 40 cm is 0.4 meter and 250 mm is 25 cm, which is 0.25 meter. How many meters are left? So you need to minus these two. So you need to minus 0.4 first, so to get 1.7, and then you need to minus again 0.25 meter, so that you can get a 5. This is 1.45 meter. Yeah, this is the thing we left. Okay. Then we go. We skip for the question, so that we can go to number 15. Okay, 15. The division shall be done. Okay. Okay. We go to number 15. Which is this one? Okay, number 15. Can you see, right? Okay, number 15. Okay, A is 2 powered by 5. Okay, what's the answer? So it's a 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Okay, so is, after you calculate everything, is 32. So number B is, what is the answer of 49 and 7 power what? So you know you can change here. This one is 7 power, 7 times 7. Okay, so it's a 7 2. So this is 2. Okay. So we shall try one more number. Okay. C. 3 power of what is 27? So we know that 3 power 3 is 27. Okay. If you want to do shortcut way. This is similar question. So we shall skip this one. Okay. And then we go to 19. Okay. Give me a second. Okay. So we shall go to number 19. Okay. Number 19. Which is number 19. You can see, right? It is 3 times 1, 4. So this one will become 3 times 1, 4. So it's the 3 is 3 over 1 is 1 over 4. So the above and above, the denominator and the numerator, so we get a 3 over 4. Okay. And then we have, this is A. Then we have the B. We shall try the B only. Okay. So this is 2, 5 times 3, 7. So the above one is a 6 and then 35. Okay, we shall try number E. Number E. Okay, because this is a mixed number. 157 times 313. Okay, remember when we do the multiplication and division, we need to change it to proper fraction before we can do further operation. So this is 12 of 7, and sorry, this is 10 of 3. So since this is 3 and 12, we can can do some simplification. So we shall do it. 1 times 3, 4 times 3. So the answer will be 40 of 7. So this is 5 and 7, 5. Okay. How to change it from here? This is 40 divided by 7. 7 times 5 is 35. So you have 5. So this is the remainder. The remainder will be put here. Okay. Okay. Then we shall try number 20. Something is a new thing. Okay. And then 22. Number 20, you have this one. Simplify A. M times M5. It means that you have the M here, then you have the M1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then plus 1. So you have M6. So if you want to use the law of the indexes, you can use this 1 plus 5 equal to 6. Then we go to the B, which is P6 divided by P3. So this one you can see P6 and divide actually is a fraction. So you have P6, you have P3. It means that you have the P 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then below you have 1, 2, 3. So this one, okay, cancel out. So you have P3. If you use the law of indexes, you can use this one as when you have the indexes and division 6 minus 3. So you schedule 3 also. Then we go to the 22. Go to the question 22, which is this one. Okay. So when you have 22A, we have 7 divided by 3 and 21. Okay. Okay, 3 and 21. This one will become a division. When you want to try to operate, you cannot do it straight away. You need to change it and upside down. 21 over 3, and then you know that this is actually you can simplify it. 3 times 1, 3 times 7. So it's 7 times 7. So your answer is 21. 21. So we go to number C and have a look with the answer. So this is 3 and 8 divided by 4 and 5. Okay. So the division you need to make it upside down. So it's 5 and 4. No, nothing you can simplify. So you need to just times it. So to get a 15 over 32. Oh, this is the simplest fraction already. You cannot further factorize. And then we go to number 24, or which is 24A, which is 3 power by 4 times 3 power by 6. So to use the law for index, you can write 4, 3, and 4 plus 6. So your answer is 3 power by 10. Okay. So to use the index, the law, so is 215 divided by 25. So you can write 215 divide will become a minus 5. So your answer is 210 also. Okay. So we shall go to number, this is the same. We go to the number 28. Number 28, you have the T equal to 2, M equal to -1, and C equal to 3. So T equal to 2, M equal to -1, C equal to 3. They want you to substitute in. Okay, we should find this one, number C, the hardest one. 4 times M power of 2 minus 2TC divided by T plus M plus C. Remember, when you try to substitute any number, always put a bracket. So this M is -1, so -1 power 2 minus 2, T is the 2 also, C is 3, divided by T, which is the 2, plus the M, which is a -1, and plus the C, which is a 3. So now only you can do it, okay? So on the top one, so -1 power by 2 is 1, so it's 4. So 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 3 is 12, so it's 4 minus 12. And then on the bottom one, you have 2 minus 1 is 1, 1 plus 3 is 4. So your answer is -8, and then this is 4. So you convert it and simplify it, it will become a -2. Okay, we shall do the number 36. Number 36. Okay, this is expansion. Expansion, this is the first part of our year 9. Okay, then starting from here, in year 10, you need to know everything about this. Without hesitate, you need to be master of this so that you can score good result in your year 10. This is Mr. Henry Clement for your year 9 math class. X plus 3, x plus 4. Okay, this one will become a, okay, you use the first number to times x, so you get the x squared, and then you times the 4, so you get the 4x. Later you use the second number, which is 3 times x, you get the 3x, and then 3 times 4, you get the 12. So you need to find the like term, the like term. Oh, this is 2 is x, so this one should be summed together. So it's x squared plus a 7x and plus 12. This is your answer. Okay, I will do number D. Okay, I will do number D. X plus 7 power 2, it means that equal to x plus 7 times x plus 7. Sorry, this is x. Okay, so you must find the first number, which is x squared, and then times the second one, which is the 7x. And then this one is a 7x again, and this one is the 49. So this is a like term. So x2 plus 14x plus 49 is your answer. Okay. So now we shall go to the last question already. Let's pick up a question for you. Okay, 41. Number 41. Number 41. So you have A, which is W divided by 3 plus W divided by 4. So this one you need times the 4, 4. This one is 3, 3. So answer will become a 4W12 plus a 3W12. So your answer is 12, and then this is 4 plus 3 is 7W. Okay. And we go to the C. We go to the C and have a look with the C. C is a tricky. 2, 5C plus a 4, 15C. We know that not all, no. Only this part times the 3 times the 3. 5 times 3 will get a 15C already. So only one side. So this one is 15C. Then you have times 3. So this is 3. So you have the 6, and then you have the 4 here. So my answer will be 10 of 15C. And because of this one, you can still simplify. This is 2, this is 3. So my answer will be 2 over 3C. Okay, I shall pick up one last question. Then this is the last class for today. Maybe we do the F. Okay, which is a 5 plus 4H. So this one I need times the H times the H. Okay. So sorry, I think I need further explanation for you. Okay, this is 5 plus a 4H. So this 5 is 5 over 1. So this is 1. So you need a times a H here. Okay. So you can get a 5H over H plus 4 over H. So the bottom part will be H, and on the top part will be 20H. No, not 20H, sorry, I do a mistake. This is 5H plus 4. Yes, my answer is 5H plus 4 over H. This is the last question for today. Okay, thank you for joining us. Okay, we shall be going to the next new lesson for next week. And if you need further anything explanation, always tell me. Okay, I will be willing to help. Okay, thank you very much for today's class. Bye.